morning's a nightmare for you, you know you have to get out of bed, you know you have to get to work or you have to go to your workstation, and yet it's like, whoa, what do I do? Where am I going? What should I do? So if that happens to you, that's really challenging. That's a rough way to start your day. And what we know is if you have a good start to your morning, your day often goes better. If you have a rough start, and that just leads and is dreadful. Welcome back if you're coming back, and welcome if it's your first time. I'm RM, and I'm a neurodivergent expert. And I give people real-life solutions and strategies that work. So the strategy that's going to help you right now is having that morning routine. So knowing actually what the tasks are that you do, writing it down, and then creating these little icons. So if you have wake up time and you need wake up time, that needs to be put in there, whether it's 5 minutes or 20 minutes. You need to make sure you have that time allotted so that you get all the wake up time you need before you get up and get out of bed. You need to know, like most people don't know, particularly when they're wired differently. Okay, it's just now or not now. How long do you think it takes you? How much time? I don't know. That's the most common answer is like, we don't know. We don't have a sense of time. So you want to get a sense of time. You want to time different things. So you need to write down the tasks that you do. You need to then sort of like, you don't have to know for sure, but put somewhere. You can do it on paper. You can do it on an app. Start keeping track of time for those different things so that you have an average. Somebody I worked with, they were like, okay, feed the cat. I can do it in 2 minutes. Like, do you want to do that every day? No, but I know I can. So that's the thing about, like, at times if you push yourself and you know this is how quick I can do it, but then here's the average time. Sometimes it takes a little longer, but then later on you'll know what to cut out if something's taking longer or not. So then maybe I'm just going to grab, instead of doing breakfast and cooking oatmeal, I'm just going to grab a nut bar because that has a good source of protein in it too. So you're going to get better at this, okay? And what can help you if you want more strategies because you're still going, that's a lot, Mara. I don't really know how to do that. I'm going to invite you to come to my From Frantic to Freedom workshop. So click on the link. There are the dates. You get to sign up. Go right there, sign up, and do it now, okay? Because you don't need to spend another frustrating morning, wondering what your plan is. You're going to get strategies and other ideas, and then you also can work with me too, okay? Because that's going to be the best way to get strategies tailored to you. But sign up now, because it's either we say we're going to do it later, and guess what? It doesn't happen. And remember, when you're wired differently, there is hope, there are strategies that work, and you can create a life you love living. So see you there.